This is the Westermann CM2 Pro fitted with a 16 horsepower Vanguard petrol engine. It's hydrostatic forwards and backwards, and it has a dual hydraulic system for powering various attachments for sweeping, brushing and scraping. On the back we have a towing plate for various attachments and to tow a trailer if necessary. Under the bonnet is a 16 horsepower Briggs Stratton Vanguard commercial grade engine. This will give many years of trouble-free service. There is a long-range fuel tank and also a cooler for the hydraulic system. Now we're going to look at the operator controls. We start with the ignition key and the throttle on the right hand side. The foot pedal is for the hydrostatic control forwards and backwards. The hydraulic levers for the attachments are, the lower one is for the clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation. The upper one is for up and down. Because it's a dual hydraulic system, you can use the hydraulics to push the brush harder onto the ground. And finally, to change an attachment, you simply release the quick release couplings. Remove the lever to the left hand side and unhook the attachment. Now we're going to have a look at the machine in action.